episode, you're going to see if Flathead Terry was able to put the sting back in this Stingray. In episode 1, you saw me get this 350 cube, 350 horse Corvette engine running again. And in episode 2, you saw me replace this original radiator with an aluminum replica radiator. And you saw me replace the master cylinder and replace all 4 rotors, pads, and calipers throughout the Corvette. And in episode 4, you saw me put new tires and rebuild those rally wheels back to their original condition. And in episode 5, you saw me get the clock and the oil pressure gauge working again. But in this episode, Flathead Terry finally gets this 69 Corvette Stingray out of his garage. Okay, here we go. There's that interior. First thing I'm going to do is get that vacuum to it. Check it out. Pretty dusty, pretty dirty. All that stuff back there. Yeah, let's take a look over here. Yep. Let's get it all cleaned up. Alright, as I cleaned out the car, found a couple little trinkets, as I usually do. Got some coinage there, 46 cents. Well, that's kind of nice. Pabst Blue Ribbon label there. Of course, a spare key for the gas cap. That's pretty nice. Little pull tab, the old pull tab style there. You can barely see that, a little blurry. Of course, a hairpin. Some other stuff. I wonder if he won anything. Okay, and this is after. Did a lot of cleaning. There we go. Check it out. All the gauges work now, as you've seen in some of the videos. Looking good. Take a look back there as well. All of that's been vacuumed and cleaned out. All of the trays. Take a look at the dash here. Yep, and it does say 67,000 original miles on it, so we're all good there. So, turned out real nice.